Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to set value. See, many times client wants that certain value should be pre-filled at the time of filling the form. For example, let me show you here. This is the syntax. Let me show you with some practical. Here it is. Now see here is the sales order form, right? Now, if I refresh this form, now here, let me, okay. Now, suppose the client wants that this warehouse location should be pre-filled at the time of filling the form. See here, right now there is nothing written here. Warehouse location is nothing. Now, the client wants that initially at the time of filling the form, this warehouse location should be filled so that the user need not to fill that field particularly. So for this, I have written a script here. Here it is the script. Function page init, I have written it on the page init. Current record equal to context.current record. Current record.setValue. This is the property set value. Now with the help of set value, field ID, we will provide the field ID and then the value that we want by default. And this ID comes from this ID. This ID comes from here. Let me show you this. If I click on this warehouse location, this is the ID. I have copied this and I have pasted it here, right? And then I have deployed this script here. Let me make it active because I have made it inactive here. Yes, now it is activated. And now if I refresh this page, you will see here, it is by default added. Now if I refresh, now see the warehouse location, it will be filled. Look at this. This New York is already filled. So in this way, because this requirement comes frequently that whenever a particular form is filled, in that case, certain values are to be pre-filled. So this is how, with the help of set value, we enter the data at the time of page init. So, and in our next session, in our next video, we will see how to get the value, right? So this is another most important code for setting the value, right? And if you have not subscribed my video, so please subscribe my channels and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.